Join us as we walk you through a typical rain garden consultation where you can get one-on-one advice about your yard in your yard.
We don't bring shovels, we just give advice.
Yeah. But I mean, I so appreciate that because it's tricky, and you know, when you're dealing with water coming at your house, you want to do it right.
Yeah.
During our consultation, we will come to your yard and give personalized recommendations depending on your concerns and specific issues.
This whole area is very squishy.
We had some heavy rains. The water ran like a river just directly into the basement.
Our staff has over 5 decades of experience and has trained over 800 master rain gardeners locally. They are experts in their field and tailor their advice for you.
And when it rains really hard, the water comes into the garage. So I've been pondering what to do.
We start by walking around your home and looking at downspouts to see how the water from your roof currently drains.
So it goes into that pipe that goes underground and it pops up somewhere. Oh, here it is.
And I wasn't sure where the downspout was.
Right.
I spent 5 minutes looking for the pop-up valve.
The downspout goes down away from your house, well away, so that's gold star. And where's your property line? Somewhere.
We also look at where your property lines fall and the elevation of your yard to visualize how water naturally drains around your home.
So this is the sump
Yeah.
outlet, and then the other downspout. It's
here.
all coming here.
And this is your property?
Yes.
We look at any plants or gardens you currently have in place as well.
This hydrangea it might like the rain garden. But actually, your early meadow rue, when it seeds, you could transplant it, but you could just take the seeds and sprinkle them here, and they
really?
would totally grow. Yeah.
Okay.
It's a lot easier.
We listen to your concerns.
What are your goals? What are you thinking?
But the goal should be that it largely takes care of itself.
I have a couple problems I want to solve, and think that a rain garden might be suitable, although I'm actually not sure about that. It's a tricky lot, and so I have some sort of site-specific questions.
And help you make a plan.
You suggested a 2-tiered system, starting with like the pop-up valve.
We can make a few location recommendations and help you pick the best one based on your goals.
Narrow it down to what is going to solve the most important problem,
Yeah.
and which one is easiest.
Yeah.
This squishy spot is the perfect location for a rain garden. It is 10 feet away from your house.
Yeah.
It's in a good location. It's on your property. This wants to be a rain garden.
We can recommend plants for each spot.
And it could be perennials if you want to see flowers, or it could be shrubs if you want to sort of delineate your property line.
Yeah, I
It could
would
be trees.
actually love to delineate my property line.
Yeah, so shrubs would be, you could make a rain garden hedge if you wanted to.
Okay. What works well for a rain garden hedge plant-wise?
We have a list of rain garden species
Excellent.
that like the wet, dry, and they're arranged by light level. So here's the shade. Full
That's
shade.
fantastic. Yeah.
We also leave you with some resources so you can be successful.
Gardening should be free. There's a series of workshops where, and it's super fun, where you gather seeds, and then the next workshop you plant them in milk jugs and you put them on your
Oh, the winter
driveway.
sowing?
Winter
Yeah,
sowing.
okay.
These are the seeds that I sowed, winter sowed.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, with Seeds to Community.
Yeah. Great. Another way to do it are the plant swaps, which I hold at the Ypsilanti District Library in spring and fall.
That's you.
You never know what's going to come.
Schedule your free rain garden consultation at masterraingardeners.org.
Okay, bye.